Ramadan Kareem everyone. Happy Ramadan. Inshallah tasumu taftaru ala khair. I hope that everyone's fasting and breaking their fast in good health. I know it's a little difficult, even me. My mouth is like dry. I can't talk. But in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make Sudanese Agashe, which is meat skewers that are coated in roasted and ground peanuts. It's similar to the West African Suya. Hello, ECOWAS! They're coming for you. So usually it's cooked in outdoors, and a circle is formed out of sand, and in the middle there's coal and a fire is lit, and the skewers are then propped up in the sand around the fire, and that gives it a nice roast and heat. But we're not gonna do that today because we're just gonna do it in the oven. Because we're not gonna do the most. So watch. First, you're gonna, of course, soak your meat in lime. This is how we wash and disinfect our meat. And some lime juice and some salt. So now that we've washed our meat, we're just gonna go ahead and cut it into little strips that you can put the skewers through. If you have a bigger cut of meat, you can also use the tenderizer and tenderize your meat. So these are really tiny skewers, so I'm gonna just gauge it, and it's only me who's eating, so this gotta last like a few days. So next we're going to grind the peanuts. So you could use your coffee grinder if you'd like, but personally I like it a little bit more textured. There we go. See, this part is like turning into peanut butter. So you just break it up like that, and I'm going to roast this because I like it a little bit roasted. Next, you're gonna add your spices. In Sudanese cuisine, cumin is very important. We have our Sudanese spice blend available on our Etsy store and on Shopify. Go have a look at our previous posts. So I like to mix that up with the agashe. I also like to add some salt, not too much. Trying to keep the salt low. And then this is just for me, so I'm gonna add chili as much as I like. So we're gonna mix that up and then roast all of that goodness in the oven. This reminds me of the sand in Sudan. Smell this, it's so good. See, it's burnt a little bit here around the end, so that's how you know. And the color has changed significantly. That's when you know it's been well roasted, and it smells amazing. So I put most of it away for next time, and now you're just gonna bring your meat in. Bring your meat in and just coat your meat with the agashe like that. The meat is so moist as it was just washed and soaked with lemon and salt. Look at that. And you can just go like that by hand and just take the bigger bits off. Look at that. Oh, it's so good. So I guess in West African cuisine they use different spices than we do. And most Sudanese, they like it more finely. But I like it like this, with some chunks in it. It's just a nice bite of peanuts in there. So next you're just gonna take your agashe coated meat and just skewer it up. That's it. And we're gonna put it on a tray like this. can get cooked nicely from all sides. Ta-da! Yes, salam. This is gonna be so good. MashaAllah. Guys, it smells so good. So that's it. We're gonna pop it in the oven for about 20 minutes. If you have it on the grill, you could pop it on the grill. If you have sand and space outdoors, you could do it the traditional way. And you can do this with your fish, your chicken, your lamb. Sudan is arguably the nuttiest country on the planet. We love peanuts and everything. The Arabic word for peanuts is Ful Sudani. So that tells you it's out. A lot of African countries use peanuts in their stews and their meat and everything, but we use it in everything, literally. Like, you've seen our previous posts, we put it on fish, we put it in our coffee, in our tea. Like, I was shocked when I went to Sudan and saw people put it in their coffee and tea. I was like, oh, I've never seen that before, but it is what it is. We are the nuttiest countries. Food is Sudanese. Halfway through, what I do is I just flip them. You can see they're a bit oily. That's the fat from peanuts. Peanut oil. Oh yeah, I forgot to say we have peanut oil in Sudan. Yep. We are the land of the peanuts.